I was working a 40-hour job. I had 4 kids, super busy. I didn't have the time. But I knew if I didn't make the time, I was going to be stuck doing the same thing day after day after day. So I made the time. It was really this breakthrough of realizing I could make way more than I was making at a job by doing these things, by doing affiliate marketing, by getting started in ClickBank, by becoming a vendor. I didn't watch TV for a whole year when I first started doing ClickBank. I'm gonna wake up a little earlier. I'm gonna work up during my lunchtime instead of going out with the guys for lunch. And I just sacrificed a little bit of that time. And it paid off tremendously because now I own my life. I started making more in a month than I was making in a year at my job. I feel like I retired 20 years ago. Now it's just life. I grew up in a family. I'm the oldest of 7 boys and 1 girl. And so we grew up pretty poor. We had some years where we ate cracked wheat for a whole year every morning. I just thought everyone did that, we didn't have a lot of money. As time went on, I went to college. I did the whole thing, go to college and get a degree. And I didn't. I dropped out a couple of years into college and decided to go kind of do my own things. And I found myself failing at some of those things and realizing I wasn't making any money. And one day I had to put my tail between my legs and I went and got a job in a chemical factory. Literally I had to take this Mylar balloon, go up, walk up a thing of stairs and hold my breath, take the sample of cyanide gas, and my boss would say, just don't breathe or you could die. And I'd be like, so I'm doing that for like $9 an hour and not even paid the bills, kind of thing. So I started realizing, man, I got to do something different in my life. I started selling on eBay, just trying to make things work. And then one day I was talking to a friend. I'd heard he was making money selling ebooks. And I was like, what the heck's an ebook, And I heard he was making like $10,000 a month. And I was like, selling a digital book? And what the heck, So I started looking into it and I found ClickBank. Then I realized that you could be an affiliate. So you could go promote these things and get paid an affiliate commission. I'll never forget the first time I started promoting things as an affiliate. I woke up one morning and I got 3 sales, affiliate sales from these products. I was like, oh my gosh, this is cool. I actually made money while I was sleeping. I didn't have to go wear a hard hat and take poisonous cyanide gas and that. No. And the funny thing about this is I set my computer up every time I got a ClickBank sale. I made my computer make a sound. It would go, da-da, So I'm still working at my job, and so the computer's in the living room. I'd keep the sound up. We'd hear, da-da, oh, there's $37, And my little kids would hear that, and they'd hear we'd be eating dinner, and they'd hear the sound, oh, Dad just made $37, So it was like crazy. It was like kind of fun. You'd hear that little sound go off and go check my email, and I had another sale. One day I woke up and I was getting ready to go to work, but I could hear my computer in the other room going, da-da, 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 da-da. It was like going like ballistic. I was like, what the heck is going on? And I went over to the computer and it was like 6 a.m. and I had already made like $10,000 that day from like midnight to like 4 or 5 a.m. What is going on? So I called in sick because I got to figure out what's going on. But I found out my product had a link. I was doing some paid ads and I had ended up on the homepage of AOL that day. And I think I made $40,000 that day, my profit that day. I was like, forget going into work, man. That's how much I was making at my job in a year. And I made it one day. And I'm not saying that everyone can go do that, but that's what, I did it. And it kind of opened my eyes. I'm like, oh man, there is something to this. Within 9 months, I had pretty much tripled my income that I was making at my job. And I quit my job. That's been 21 years ago actually. This fall is when I quit my job and I've done my own thing ever since. And ClickBank's where I got my start. I love it. Every time I tell someone, like, where'd you get your start? ClickBank. I got my start on ClickBank. I love being an affiliate. I'm still an affiliate, but I started realizing, like, hey, I'm selling this program for someone else and I'm making my commission. I'm like, I think I could sell my own program, sell a lot of my own on the front end, and get other affiliates out there pushing for me. And that was my biggest thing, why I started creating my own programs. One of our most successful products has been our program called the Crypto Code. And you know, there's a lot of misconceptions about what crypto is. Crypto really is a new technology. So we've been able to help a lot of people get into the world of crypto and this whole new technology. And it's been really well. It's been our actually most successful product on ClickBank. The reason why I love affiliate traffic is it's the lowest risk type of traffic that you can do. I just tend to keep gravitating back to affiliates and affiliate traffic. It just seems to be just so consistent for us. If you're not having affiliates go promote your program, why not? Why would you not want a whole bunch of people to go promote your program, especially if it's digital? Your costs are so low on a digital program. I look at it as like free money or bonus money, but the other reason is ClickBank makes it so easy to pay those affiliates for you. So you don't have to go spend the time to go, buy some complicated software, hire people to run that, worry about fraud. ClickBank has a handle on that. They've been in this business for a long time. No question about it, I would go with ClickBank because they know what they're doing and make it easier for you, and you're gonna get a lot more sales. Here's my 2023 Platinum Award. I look forward to this every year when this thing shows up in the mail. It really means a lot to me because I'm like, hey, we worked really hard this year to achieve this. It just shows that, like, hey, we've accomplished something. It shows that ClickBank cares about us, and along with it is a lot of other benefits that we get. So it's really, really helped me. Right here we have 2023, 2022, 2021, and 2020 Platinum Awards. So yeah, we hang these up. These are right behind my desk, and I love it. My kids come up and say, Dad, what is that? And I say, that's freedom, guys. That is freedom. Is it worth getting platinum? Heck yes, it's worth getting platinum. Go out and do it, get it. My life is completely different. And I almost started to forget what it was like 20 plus years ago. I can't imagine doing anything different. I remember not being where I wanted to be. I think there's so much to life than just driving in your car, sitting in a cubicle every day. And if you don't do something different with your life, you don't make some changes, you'll just do that. And then you'll get old and retire, and then you won't have the money to do the things that you wanted to do when you retire either. It's not like money's gonna make you happy, but it's money can buy you some freedom and can buy you time with your loved ones as well. I'm so glad I made the decision, that I took some action. That's all I can say. Work and learn and do and take action and don't quit, because you will be successful. If you do that, if you stick with it, you will be successful.